So I got everything pinned in place. As you can see, this is what my pillow gonna look like. It look more like a Halloween pillow. Well, I'm gonna stick beside it. I'm gonna support it. So what I'm gonna do next, I got all these scraps in the way, is put it on my machine. I do want to like get my arm. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the mouth first because of course that's the biggest piece, and it won't be the hardest. So make sure everything is where it needs to be. It's not snug. Don't feel like it's. Okay, this gonna have to work. All right. So I'm gonna start here with some back stitch. Do a regular straight stitch and go around the mouth. I'm gonna lift my presser foot and I'm gonna pivot, turn everything around, and continue. I'm gonna sew real close to the edge as much as I can. Presser foot so I can turn it around again and get around the corner. Then I'm gonna cut the little thread off of it, the front. I'm gonna cut it off the back. Okay, so as you can see, the mouth is done. You can see the stitch in the back, and the mouth is in place. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pins off, and then I'm gonna move on to the tiers because the tiers are a little bigger than the other things I have to sew. Hopefully I got enough room to sew around. I can move my pen over some like this. There we go. Drop my presser foot, back stitch, and I'm going around the sides. And yes, it's gonna be in black on the blue, but you can always change your thread to correspond with it. Funny. It could be my bobbin. I don't know. It's my main thread. Yeah, it's my bobbin getting caught. Let me take that out right quick. I'm going around the circle part. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and take the pin out. Oh, that ain't right. My bobbin cutting up. that. That's done. Okay, the other tears I'm gonna do off camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I don't want the video to be too long. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye right quick. Go around the eye. Hopefully it don't shift. And then if you do it this way, you can always like put like a spray on the little felt so it can stay in place, the little basting spray. I'm just gonna hold on to mine. Hopefully it don't move or nothing. Because I feel like if I get one side done, I'd be okay. Yeah, then I can just pivot and go ahead down the other side. What in the world? All these stitches. Okay, so that side is done. The eyebrow, snip that. I meant the eye, and then I'm gonna do the eyebrow right quick. So again, you can always glue it. Glue it is, you know, a bit faster because the glue, it will stay. It's just a matter of preference. I think when I first did my first one, I was new to sewing, so I really didn't. I don't think I had the confidence to do this. So. Or the skill. All right. Okay, so this part is done so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably create a part 2 because yeah, it's like a crafting and a sewing project in one. It just depends. Okay, come on. Why so hot? All right, so as you can see, this side, you can see the pieces that are sewn, which is this, and then the tear at the bottom down here, and the mouth. Those parts aren't done yet.